Good morning, children. Children, in the last class, we learned about the how we prepare the nylon cloth. Okay, children. And today we will be learning about the different fiber, that is rayon. Rayon. Okay, children. The different fiber or the new fiber, that is rayon. Okay. And here, children, normally many of them, they are fond of silk. Okay, they are fond of silk. Silk is obtained from the silkworm, and here, children, silk is very costly and it is a very time taking process. Therefore, in order to supply for the most of the people silk, okay, a new fiber, okay, is manufactured, that is called as a rayon. But it came into existence only in the 19th century, children. We are in the 21st century, therefore it came into the existence only in the 19th century. Okay, children. And here it became, okay, and here it came to India. The first fiber was named as rayon in the year 1924. In the 1924, the fiber was named as a rayon, children. And the first factory of rayon is in Kerala in the year 1946. In the 1946, the first rayon factory was established, children. Okay. And here, children, normally we come across this many rayons factories, okay, around the world. Okay, children. Now, how this rayon is prepared? Actually, all the fibers, all the artificial fibers or the synthetic fibers are prepared from the or obtained from the chemicals, petrochemicals. But whereas the source for the rayon is a wood pulp, children. Wood pulp. That means here it is obtained from the plants. Then you may get a doubt that if the rayon is obtained from the wood, then why it is called as a synthetic fiber? Why it is not called as a natural fiber? Okay, you may get it out. But here, even though it is obtained from the wood pulp, but it has to undergo many chemical process, children. Okay, first it is treated with that means the cellulose. The cellulose was collected from the bamboo or the wood pulp. It is treated with several chemicals. First, sodium hydroxide. First, it is treated with sodium hydroxide. Then carbon disulfide. First, it is treated with the sodium hydroxide. Okay. Then it is added to the carbon disulfide solution. Okay. And here the cellulose dissolves in the chemicals. Cellulose dissolves in the chemicals. Okay, the cellulose dissolves in the chemicals and it gives a syrup called as viscose. Gives a syrup called viscose. Okay, children. See here, rayon is obtained from the cellulose of the rayon is obtained from the wood pulp. Then it is treated with several chemicals such as sodium hydroxide, and then it is added to the carbon disulfide. Okay, and here this cellulose dissolves in the chemicals and it gives a syrup. After dissolving, it gives a syrup, children. Therefore, that syrup is called as a viscose. Okay, children. And here viscose is forced through the spinneret. That means it is a filtration, for the filtration process. Viscose is forced through a spinneret. That means spinneret is the metal plates with very tiny holes, children. It is a metal plate with a very tiny holes, okay, into a solution of dilute sulfuric acid, okay, and here it is forced through a spinnerit, and it is forced through a spinnerit, okay, which is having of a, it is a spinnerit is a metal plate with a very small tiny holes children, okay, spinnerit is a metal plate with a very small tiny pieces, tiny holes, and here after this spinnerit, okay, it gives a silk like threads. After passing through the spinnerit, it gives a silk like threads, it gives silk like threads, okay, these silk like threads, when they are cleaned with soap and dried, then it gives what? Rayon. Okay children, rayon is obtained from the cellulose of wood pulp, okay, from the wood pulp called as the cellulose. This cellulose first is treated with the many chemicals, that is sodium hydroxide. The formula of sodium hydroxide is NaOH, CS2, carbon disulfide solution. Then it is added to the carbon disulfide solution, and this, after this adding of this one, it is dissolved in the chemicals and it gives a syrup which is called as viscose. And here this viscose, it is passed, that means forced means it is passed through a small spinnerit, whereas spinnerit is the metal plate with the small holes, and here and then it gives the silk like threads, it will be giving of silk like threads, and these silk like threads, when they are cleaned with the soap and dried, it gives a fiber called as the rayon, okay, and here rayon replaces the silk, children, and it is cheaper than the silk, okay, and here rayon is also used, okay, it is mixed with the cotton to make the bed sheets, rayon is mixed with the wool to make carpets, okay. See here children, rayon mixed with cotton to give bed sheets, rayon mixed with wool to give carpets, okay, and here it is also used, okay, in the fashion and home furnishing, for the fashion dresses, okay, and home furnishing, curtains, home furnishings, it is used in the home furnishings as well as in the fashion. Rayon is also used in the sanitary products, it is also used in the sanitary products, okay, and bandages, sanitary products and bandages. Rayon is used in the sanitary products and bandages, and lint for dressing wounds, Normally, when we get a wound or when we go to the doctor will or the compounder, okay, will be dressing of the wounds. Therefore, that whatever the material, the porous material, white color one, after keeping the cotton, that is called as a lint, and it is used for the lint for the dressing of the wounds. Okay, children. And rayon is a perfect fiber to prepare all fabrics because it is made from the plant cellulose. It absorbs water easily, but when it absorbs, okay, it absorbs water easily, and when it absorbs the water, it becomes weak and it can be broken. Okay, here rayon is mixed with the cotton to give the bed sheets. Rayon when mixed with the wool, it gives the carpets, and it is used in the fashion and the home furnishings. and it is also used in the sanitary products and bandages, and it is also used as a for a dressing of the wounds as a lint. And here rayon absorbs the water easily, and when the rayon absorbs the water easily, it becomes weak and it can be easily broken, children. Okay, that is about the story of the what rayon. Okay, that is about the story of the rayon, children. Okay, I think you got an idea about the rayon, children. Thank you. Have a nice day.